Boya Benyati, Kacheni. Look, I know you are this player that is so aggressive. You know, you are fighting, you like to fight, you want to win and all of that. But sometimes, just calm down a bit, because I think and I believe that some of the actions that you gave us in the games, you did it against Kaizer Chiefs and you did it again last night. For me, I don't think it's going to be something good for you, that you're too aggressive to opponents and end up not seeing the best of you. We want to see the best of you. Can I see the Kacheni that was playing for Ilom for SuperSport United? The Kacheni that was in the midfield, the Kacheni that create chances. Where's that Kacheni? Now I'm seeing the Kacheni that is fighting, that is so aggressive, pulling, going to the ball in the air, using an elbow. We those are the things that we don't like. And I believe that you are a very good player. You are not this player that really be so deadly in terms of when you want to win the ball from the opponents, that you don't care, you're just gonna go. No. So I'm begging you, please. I know you can do it. As people, we all make mistakes. No one is perfect. So same applies to you to say, because you're gonna get a red card, and that's not gonna be good for the team.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.
Omni Sport.